Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to make the Mayflower. Now that is something you might want to look up online and get more information about, but for today we're just going to talk about our craft. And this is what it is. You'll get a sheet that tells you just what to do, step-by-step directions. And you will get another activity sheet that gives you the parts of the Mayflower. And you can work on that. So today, in my craft kit, I had paper plate. I cut it in half. And then on both sides, I colored it brown. On this side right here, I made 3 little circles for the port holes of the ship. And what we're going to do is make a ship out of this. We're going to put it together like this. And I'm going to use some tape pretty soon. I'll put it right there. But before that, guess who these are? They're the ship's occupants. And these are the pilgrims. And they came on the Mayflower. And I'm just going to put a little tape on these. And you can use glue if you wish. I'm going to move them up a little bit. I'm going to tape them on the inside of this plate. Okay? And then the next thing I'm going to do is I've made, out of a straw and some pieces of white paper, I've made a sail. And I think that I want to put that one right here, kind of behind her. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to tape that on there, okay? And you have enough in your packet to make 2 sails. And you just put this in and through there. Okay, got to work with it a little bit. There's your other sail. And this right here, we're just going to tape on. It's just a little bit of the sail. And we're just going to put that right up here. And we'll have that taped on there. And there's your other sail. And once again, I think I'll put that one right here. Okay. Whoops. Let's put it right there. We'll put some tape on it to hold it down. Now, this part goes on the outside like that. And I have some double-sided tape. You can glue it. You can staple it. You can just put it together with some tape. And that's what I'm doing here because it's quicker. And this is what you're going to have when you're finished. I'm going to put that on there very carefully so it's nice and neat. And when you're finished, you will have a copy of the Mayflower with the pilgrims standing on board. And that's what your craft looks like for this week, guys. Have fun making it. Bye now.